Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 5, Lesson 33. We know adjectives describe nouns, but adjectives can also compare. A tall tree, a taller tree, the tallest tree of all. Today we'll learn the 3 degrees of an adjective and how to form them without making a mistake. Here's the big picture. Every adjective has 3 degrees. The positive form just describes one thing, like tall. The comparative form compares exactly 2 things, and it's tall plus er, taller. The superlative form compares 3 or more things, and it's tall plus est, tallest. Positive, comparative, superlative. 1, 2, 3 or more. So the count does the work for you. If you're comparing 2 things, you use er, or the word more. Maria is taller than John. If you're comparing 3 or more, you use est, or the word most. Maria is the tallest of all. A quick clue, the little word than usually signals 2, so a comparative. The word of all signals a whole group, so a superlative. Now, which one do you use, the ending or the word more? It depends on the length of the adjective. Short adjectives, usually 1 syllable, just add er and est. Tall, taller, tallest. Longer adjectives, 2 or more syllables, take more and most instead. Careful, more careful, most careful. And here's the trap to avoid. Never use both at once. More taller is wrong. Pick one, never stack them. Finally, a few adjectives are irregular. They don't add an ending, and they don't take more. You just have to know them. Good becomes better, then best. Bad becomes worse, then worst. So you'd never say gooder or baddest. You say better and worst. These show up constantly, so lock them in. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. In this first set, decide whether the sentence needs the comparative form, comparing 2, or the superlative form, comparing 3 or more. Watch for the words than and of all. Pause and try each one before I answer. Lake Superior is blank than Lake Erie. We're comparing exactly 2 lakes, and the word than confirms it. 2 things means the comparative. Large is a short word, so we add er, larger. So the answer is larger. Denali is the blank mountain in North America. Here, one mountain stands above every other, the whole group. 3 or more means the superlative. High is short, so add est, highest. So the answer is highest. Lena is the blank of all the hikers. The phrase of all points to the whole group, so it's a superlative. Patient is a longer word, so we use most, not an ending. So the answer is most patient. 3 more. This time, watch the form itself. Avoid doubling up, like more taller. And remember the irregular ones. Pause and try each one. This trail is blank than the other one. Than tells us 2 trails, so the comparative. But which form? Steep is a short word, so it takes the ending er. Steeper, not more steep. So the answer is steeper. That was the blank storm we have ever seen. We're picking the extreme out of all the storms, so a superlative. But bad is irregular. It doesn't take est, so baddest is not a word. The superlative of bad is worst. So the answer is worst. Old Faithful is blank than the other geysers. Than means to, a comparative. Now, famous is a longer adjective, so it takes more, not the ending er. Famouser is wrong, so the answer is more famous. Let's wrap up. Adjectives have 3 degrees. The positive just describes. The comparative compares 2 things with er or more. And the superlative compares 3 or more with est or most. Short words add the ending. Longer words take more or most. And you never combine them, so more taller is always wrong. And keep the irregulars handy. Good, better, best, and bad, worse, worst. Count what you're comparing, pick the right form, and you'll get these every time. Great work!